Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Peter Phelps of Phelps 3D, and today I'm going to do a little experiment. We're going to compare Longer's regular white resin to WEISTEK's ABS-like resin, and then we have D-Max's PLA Plus in brown, and California Filaments PETG in black, and we're just going to be comparing which of these survive a drop from almost 6 feet. And I'm not sure how well you're going to see this because I'm using my phone, but the 6-foot drop is basically from this porch here. Alright. Asphalt, so it's a really hard surface. We're going to do the longer regular white resin. What's funny is how much these were both cured for 4 hours in the sun, but the ABS one is still pretty white, whereas the regular longer porch is yellow. So let's see. That worked. That was the ABS. That was the PLA Plus. They all survived. I actually expected the longer resin to shatter. I'm going to lower you down and drop them again. Maybe I can get a better shot of them when they hit. Try that again. Okay, longer resin one. ABS like one. ABS one bounces better. PLA Plus. And that was PETG. So actually, we did better than I thought. I expected the resin one to shatter. So the results have been just a few scuffs on the longer resin, white resin one. I actually expected this one to shatter because the longer resins, regular resins, have been really brittle for me. This one's the, I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, WEISTEK ABS-like white resin. Both of these were printed at 0.5 millimeter, 0.05 millimeter, 0.05 millimeters, and 15 seconds exposure for each layer. They were both left out in the sun for about 4 hours to cure. Like I said, I'm amazed that the ABS-like one isn't as yellow as the regular longer resin. But yeah, all I see is a few scuffs. I did not expect this one to survive at all. I expected it to shatter. This one bounced a lot better, so it might be better for more commercial type applications. That's basically why I bought it, is to test it out and see how well it fared, but I was expecting this one to shatter. Oh well. And then I just printed the FDM ones for, you know, just to compare, because I have these materials. This was the actual full size of the file when I designed it, but I shrank it to fit into the longer orange tin printer for the resin tests. But since all of them survived, which I did not expect, I probably will recommend the ABS one. As far as like, someone wanted me to try to print a lightsaber, and I was like, resins are pretty fragile. I've had other parts in this stuff break really easily, so like I said, I was expecting that one to shatter. Alright, so yeah, I would go probably more with this if I'm trying to print for other people, something that's going to actually have to survive some punishment, dropping, whatever. Thank you for watching.